The NB Network with Dee's Sparta.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the MB Network. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing, and this unboxing is one of my absolute favorites, the Spooky Box Club. I love the Spooky Box. This box is it's heavy this time. They always have such great surprises. Usually it's purple, but this time it's black and orange, and the theme is spooky and cozy nights. And I believe I know why this is the fall. I believe this is November's box, and let's go in and I'm going to tell you more about this box, where it comes from, and how to get it. Okay, so the Spooky Box is a UK-based company. Everything that you get in these boxes, custom made, handmade, specialty made. So when they announce a theme, the box won't be ready for about another 3 or more months. And during COVID, it was even longer. So that's why it's February, the end of February, and this is the November box that I am unboxing. Now, there's different pricing depending on what part of the world. If you're in the UK, it's £31.50. Or yeah, this is not in US dollars. And the second zone they also ship to is Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Singapore, and it's £37. And then we have the rest of the world, which would be here in the US, and it's £35.50. And so yeah, you'll have to get do your own conversions if you want. You can also pre-order a box and not subscribe. So if there's a theme that pops up, you can go, oh, I want that. Now, if you buy the box individually afterwards, they do cost a little more, but you can find it on the website, and you can also find prices for all the items often on the website. But they don't normally put them with the card. So we'll see what happens this month. I'm looking forward to spooky and cozy nights. Let's begin. Let's open the box. This thing is packed up. This is what it looks like. Okay. Let's see here. Let me pull out the card that they usually put in here. Okay, here it is. So this is box number 70, Spooky and Cozy, custom made, soft and cozy. This is a soft and cozy minky bat blanket, custom made. Oh, let's check. I want to check this out. Let's see here. I want to open up the blanket. See how this is amazing. Yeah, it's a minky blanket. This is so soft on this side and uber soft on this. It's just a little personal size, but oh man, I would love this. Oh, I like this blankie. My daughter and wife are going to try and steal this from me, I'm sure. But I want this because this is just amazing. This is just, the blanket itself makes me go, oh, I got everything I need from this box. But there's more in here, so let's check it out. Okay, this is Cozy Haunted Mug Cake Recipe and Gravedigger Shovel Spoon. Oh! Okay, this looks cool. I want to pull out the spoon, okay? I can't feel it open. Oh, because it opens from the bottom. You know me. I just can't always get these things done right, huh? So it looks like it comes with ingredients also to make your cozy, yummy treats. Yeah. What is all in this? Let's see here. 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use nut milk or soy. 1.5 tablespoons of pure cocoa powder, and 1.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and a pinch of salt. This is interesting. I am not sure what's all in this. I think this could be, and it tells you what kind of toppings to use. This is the, Okay, so these are toppings, sprinkles, haunted sprinkles, spooky strands, haunted bone sprinkles, and tombstones. Okay, that is super cool. I can't wait to see what those look like, but I'm not going to open it until I make that cocoa. And here is the Gravedigger spoon. I got a shovel for you. This is great. I love this shovel. That is so cute. What a neat little cocoa making set. I love the spoon and the sprinkles. Okay, okay, now I'm going to see what, oh, these are socks. Little purple moon socks. Oh, cute. Yeah, purple moon and star socks. That's how they're called. I was like wondering. Oh my goodness. These are great. I love wearing socks. I wear socks every day, all day, and slippers, because that's just who I am. That's like my feet like. They get cold easily. So these, and they feel nice, and they feel well made, thick and cozy. So I like those. Let's see what else. Oh, we always get a piece of candy, and this time it is a lollipop. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, a lot of times I put it in a collector's pin, and this is the Jammy Bat Biscuit Curious Collector Pin. It's cute, 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 cute. I like the backing. It's a little plastic heart. That is adorbs. Okay, now what else? There's only a couple more things. We'll get these out. Oh my gosh! I've been wanting new bookmarks. I can't pull it out. They're sticking. Come forth. It's sticking to the box. And I'm struggling popping it out. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I got them out. They're both, one comes with silver, one in gold, and they got a cute tie ribbon to easy pull out, to stick out. And it says reading past my bedtime, and they're shaped like coffins. And they have little skeleton rest in peace on them. Isn't that just adorbs? These are great. One last item in here. Oh, Solitary Society. Ah, how cute. It's a little flag. Let's see here. What does it say? This is just a Jammy Bat. No, they already said Jammy Bat biscuit. This is the Mini Solitary Society felt flag. This is also, like I said, everything here is custom made. So you can only get them through Spooky Box Club. I guess you stick this in the hole. I'm not really good at this. I'm trying to get it in. Well, I'll do better. This is cute. I'm going to stick this back there. Hello! So, the Spooky Box Club. I got this amazing blankie. So cozy. It doesn't even smell bad. That's nice. Cozy socks. This is, like they said, this is a spooky and cozy. And I feel spooky and cozy. I mean, I'm feeling spooky and cozy with this box. Making little chocolate mug cake recipe with the little spoons. So you can sit there and eat your chocolate cake out of a mug. And, of course, you got the Jammy Bat Biscuit pen. If you don't know what a Jammy Biscuit is, watch Doctor Who. Sorry. The spooky bookmarks. And the flag. And, of course, you get your candy, the lollipop. So what do I think about this box? I liked it. Sometimes you get some just amazing jewelry. There's no jewelry this month, and that's fine, because some months you get tons of jewelry. It's like most of the things are jewelry. But the blanket, this is a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. I am so impressed by this blanket. I am. This is just a wow. Seriously, it is so soft. In fact, I'm going to go take a nap. It's making me want to take a nap. I haven't been feeling well. I've had like a stomach bug, and so I've been procrastinating on editing videos and recording. Recording videos. It took me a long time to get some makeup on my face so I could do a video. I'm just like, just slap on a hat, do some makeup, and get the spooky box done because everybody wants to get their hands on this. I want to wash this blankie and then we can use it. I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, see, Spooky Box Club is it's one of those things I feel like I just spoil myself with. It's just this nice treat. It's something that just always has just cute and spooky, creepy, cool items. So if you like this gothy, spooky kind of aesthetic, I suggest you go ahead and subscribe and check out the Spooky Box. Keep in mind, it does take a few months before you'll get your first box. And with that, yeah, that's it. I hope you all are having a good week. And I hope to see you next time here. I love you. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Bye.